This is November 2016, paper 13, question 22. Light strikes a plane mirror and is reflected. The angle between the ray of light and the mirror is 20 degrees. What is the size of the angle of reflection? The ray of light here, which is the incoming ray, strikes the mirror and makes an angle of incidence I between the incident light ray and the normal. Secondly, the outgoing light ray from the reflected surface, it makes an angle which is angle of reflection R between the reflected light ray and the normal as well. And the normal is perpendicular dotted line, makes a 90 degree with the mirror surface. So this is the 90 degree here. And to answer the question, stop the video and think, how can I find out the magnitude of the angle of incidence first? We have to do some mathematical calculation. So 90 degree for the angle between the normal and the reflecting surface minus 20 degree equals 70 degree, which is the angle of incidence. So this is the angle of incidence. And according to the law of reflection, I equals to R. What is I? Which is the angle of incidence, and R, the angle of reflection. So the angle of reflection, according to this law, is 70 degree as well. So the correct answer is B.